What's up, guys? So we're back one more time with the ongoing Bitcoin USD analysis. What you're looking at right now is in blue is the old Fibonacci before I had to reset it. Okay. This long wick over here made me have to reset the Fibonacci. You can see the new one right here behind it. So what we're going through now is, well, okay, wait, let's back up. When I last spoke to you, we were right over here. We were 5 hours in, and if I remember correctly, I did. I said we were most likely on a trend, and I did not think that it would break through the second level of resistance, which would have been, I believe, right here and right here. But it did on this one candle 11 hours later. Okay, we got up to the old Fibonacci ghost line right here and bounced, or not Fibonacci, but consolidation line, excuse me. And we bounced off of that, caught ourselves on the old 61.8, which is in blue, which is now the new swing low is right here also. Okay, and the swing high on the new Fibonacci is at 30K. That's where that long wick went up to, right over here, went all the way up to 30K. So that's where our swing high is, and our swing low is right here at this red line. So what we have now is we're channel trading basically between the 78.6 and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement lines, the green and the red right here and right here. And as I can see down here by the MACD, we're about to push further upward. Our volume is kind of light right now, but that doesn't mean anything. The last time I said that, this happened right here. This long wick. So 11 hours in, because we're only 3 hours in right now. And, we're about to turn red, it looks like. Time is 10:44 California time, as always. But as you can see, we're getting some resistance right here at the old swing high, which happens to be also the 61.8 retracement level. It's the area, not necessarily the line, although you can see it hitting the line right here multiple times. Then it breaks through, goes up to the 50% and crashes all the way back down to the 78.6. So what I'm thinking now is we'll most likely continue in this small channel here. If not, the channel may have widened with this wick right here, may have widened up to the 50%, and it go back up and retest that. Okay. On the retest, I'm not thinking it's breaking through. Not yet, anyway. I am expecting a retest of it, though. Obviously, that's hours away. Not sure how many. Just depends on the volume we get over the next couple of hours, how many hours it's away. But right now, it's looking like it's multiple hours. But again, all we need is an hour like this candle right here, and that changes everything. So I left the old Fibonacci up just as a reference. When I come back on the next, it won't be there. There's another reason why I'm thinking this area right here is really strong and solid resistance. And there is a possibility that it bounces here and retraces all the way back down to this support line. Why am I saying that? Well, let's go backwards in time here. Notice the green and blue line. Let me take this bubble over here. That's what happened last time. Came out of a consolidation, went all the way up here, and over here is where it took everything back. Okay, and even went further and dropped us lower and took back more than what we gained from breaking out of this consolidation. So what I'm seeing is over here, we have a similar thing going on again. This is a circle. Let me get the this. Okay, so we're looking at this area right here as our turnaround resistance point. Excuse me. Might as well even stretch it all the way over here. Okay, so the candle is turning red, but we still are in an upward momentum according to the MACD as our backup verifier. Let me go ahead and look at the Heikin-Ashi real quick, make sure. Yes, we are still going in an upward motion there. So we'll know on the next candle on the Heikin-Ashi if this is continued. But as for right now, we got a red candle going. The higher time frames are still green, and they're growing green candles. Okay, they're not. They're starting to look like this candle right here on the week, and I believe it was, well, actually on the 3-month. All the higher time frame candles are green, and they are also growing. Okay, so I don't know what the price was when we started October 1st, but we may have October. I mean, the month's not over. The 3-month chart is green. Everything below that is turning green. So, yeah, we may actually still have October. It didn't look like that in the beginning. Like on the 10th, everything was red. So it looked like we might not have October. But right now, things are looking pretty good for October. And I am a fan of history repeating itself, always. So what I'm thinking is, since the higher time frames have turned around, we most likely will wind up in an October situation, depending on where we started on the 1st. I'll have to go back and see what that was. I don't know right now off the top of my head. But yeah, things are looking good. And this is the Dark Sage signing off. I will see you, tomorrow on Thursday, because I missed yesterday. So this is a special video. Until tomorrow, guys. Peace.